Hello, what's happening, boys and girls? We have a binary here in this additional of today's newspaper of Thursday. Yes, Thursday, June the 9th, 2022. I've already solved 2 puzzles. Sudoku with 3 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars. 3 puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars. Killer Sudoku, but it's now binary time. Alright. Binary time number 4676. Yes, 4676 it will be. Yes. And what kind of binary is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. So let's get started. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. 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 Double 1 here, no there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Between 2 1s comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then double O here, 1 there, 1. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 1, so the rest are O's. 3. Yeah. Now I need to think or compare. Well, let me check. 1 2 3 1 2 4 O's we have here in this second column, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here in the first row, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first column, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here in the second row, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in this column, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And now, need to think. 3 3 3. Well. Need to compare? I need to compare. Okay. Do I need to compare the 3 columns or the 2 rows? Let me see. Double 1 here. Do we have double 1 here? No. Do we have O1 here? O1 here. We have O1. O1. Double O here. No. So I cannot compare those. Double O here. No, cannot compare this one. 100 here. 100. Oh, 1 1 0 this one and that one. 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box. 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits of this column. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Great binary. I like this one. Yes, I really do. Only 1 time comparing, and I like this one. Yes. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, tectonic with 4 stars and a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.